Let's clarify up front. Rogers and Xfinity are separate companies. This video focuses on connecting devices to Xfinity Comcast services in the US. First, ensure your device is compatible with Xfinity's network. Xfinity supports a vast ecosystem of over 50,000 devices, including routers, smart TVs, and IoT gadgets. Check compatibility on the Xfinity website or app. It's crucial. Look for Wi-Fi standards like 802.11ac BE, Wi-Fi 7 compatibility. Devices need to align with your Xfinity plan, whether it's gigabit or standard speeds. Most setups are now plug-and-play using the Xfinity app. Common connection methods are WPS for wireless pairing and Ethernet cables for wired stability. After connecting, configure parental controls and guest access through the XFi hub. Facing connectivity issues? Place devices near the XFi gateway to minimize signal interference. Ensure your device firmware is up to date via the Xfinity app. Use the Xfinity speed test to check your internet speed. Xfinity now uses AI to optimize bandwidth and troubleshoot issues via voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. Key trends include a focus on IoT and smart home convergence using standards like Matter, with seamless integration with Samsung SmartThings or Apple HomeKit. Xfinity also has a green mode to reduce power consumption and align with sustainability goals. The future involves deeper 6G integration, edge computing, and expanded metaverse support.